Hello, Dr. Rauscher here. All right, for the compound iron 3 sulfite and for iron 3 sulfide, we want to give the formula for each and state the total number of atoms in each formula. All right, so that means that we need to know a few things. First of all, we need to know what this is, iron. Well, that's an element in the periodic table. That element is, I'm looking for a periodic table here to show you. All right. And that element of iron is this one here, Fe. Okay, so this is Fe. The 3 tells us that it has a +3 charge. And then sulfite, well, this is a polyatomic ion that is actually not in our class required for you to know, but in this case, this is going to be SO3, and that's got a 2- charge. Okay. So again, we have iron, and again, it's +3. And then we have sulfide. Now, sulfide means that this is a sulfur atom, but it's an ion, right? And for sulfur, it will gain 2 electrons, 1, 2, to be isoelectronic with argon, right? So 2 extra electrons means that it's going to have a -2 charge. Okay, well, if you watched my video on how to form these, make these formulas, then you'd know that we have a +3 and a -2. So this be, let's go ahead and just write it like that. Like that. And so our crisscross means that this is going to be a 2 here, and this is going to be a 3 here. Now we can't actually have a formula that has charges in it. So we're going to actually write this as Fe2 SO3 3, okay, with no charges because it's neutral. Right. Okay, so now let's look at the iron sulfide. Well, this would be Fe3 plus and sulfur with a 2 minus. So again, this is going to come out to be an Fe2S3. So it's important to note that you have to put the parentheses around this polyatomic ion because we have 3 of the whole thing. If, in this case, we wrote something like Fe2SO3 3, well, that's just saying that we have, like, well, I don't know, this actually is really confusing. Who even knows what that means? So that's not what we do. Right? We're going to do it like this. And in this case, we don't need parentheses because it's just an element. Okay? So here's our formula. And here's our other formula. So that answers the first part. Now state the total number of atoms in each formula. Well, we have 2 irons plus 3 times 1 sulfur, so that's 3 sulfurs. So 2 Fe plus 3 sulfurs. And then for oxygen, it's 3 times 3, going to give us 9, right? So 9 oxygens. And so altogether, we're going to have 11 atoms. 9, 10, 11, oh, not 9, 10, 11, 12, 34. We have 14 atoms, right? Okay. But in this case, we have 3 sulfurs. Oops, sulfur, not fluorine, and 2 irons. And so we have 5 atoms altogether in each formula unit. Okay, the next question, the total number of cations in each formula and its charge. Okay, so in this one, the cation portion is the iron. We have 2 irons. So we have 2 Fe3 pluses. So there's the formula, Fe3 plus, and its charge, the 3 plus there. And total number of cations, we have 2 of them, right? And for the second one, well, it's the same. It's 2 Fe3 pluses. Okay, so it's the same. Total number of anions in each formula and its charge. So in the first compound, we have 3 SO3s, and that's a 2- charge. So there's the formula, and there's its charge, and we have 3 of them. Okay, and then for Fe2S3, we have 3 S minuses, 3 S2 minuses. Right? All right, hope that was helpful.